Assignment 33. Topic circle. Properties of circle. Question number 1. Choose the correct option from the following question. Which of the following formula is used to find area of circle? Area of circle. 2 pi r, B option pi r square, C option pi d, and D option 1 upon pi r square. Area of whole circle is B option pi r square. Second question, what is the length of longest chord of a circle with the radius 2.7? Longest chord of circle is a diameter. So diameter is 2 into radius, 2 into 2.7, so 5.4 is the longest chord of the circle. So answer D is correct answer. In circle with center O and radius 3.5, OA is 3.7, so then the point A will be lie. Radius is 3.5, so OA is 3.7, so OA is greater than radius. So the option are A, point on the circle, inside the circle, outside of the circle, on the circle. आता greater than असल्यामुळे काय होईल? Outside of the circle point. Question number 2. Solve the following questions, sub questions. Radius of circle is 8, then find the length of longest chord. आता आपण दुसरा प्रश्न बघितलाच होता. रेडियस दिल्यानंतर लॉंगेस्ट कॉर्ड काय? सो लॉंगेस्ट chord of circle is diameter, तो व्यास असतो. So longest chord, two into diameter is double of radius, so 2 into 8, here is 16 centimeter, so length of longest chord of the circle is 16 centimeter. The radius of circular garden is 10 meter. Find its area. So R is equal to, radius means R, 70 meter. So area of circular garden is, circular असल्यामुळे पाय आर स्क्वेअर त्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे. सो पायची व्हॅल्यू 22/7, आर 70 into 70, 7 10 जा 70, so 22 into 700, we get 0 0 7 2 जा 14, 7 2 जा 14 and 15, 15,400 square meter is the area of circular garden. Question number 4. A circular wire with radius 14 centimeter is cut and made a straight wire. What will be its length? So radius of circular wire is R is equal to 14 centimeter. So radius of wire cut this side, so become a straight line. So this is a circumference. So circumference of circle is 2 pi r. फॉर्म्युला आहे, और पाय डी, पण आपल्याला आर दिलाय म्हणून 2 पाय आर वापरायचं आहे. 2 × 22/7 × 14, 7 2 जा 14, 22 2 जा 44 × 2 is 88 centimeter. So length of wire is 88 centimeter. Assignment 34, topic properties of circle. Question number 1. Choose correct alternative option from the following questions. First, measure of an arc formed by diameter of a circle is. Diameter circle चा असेल तर becomes equal part. So measure of this arc is 180 degree. Main circle चा arc 360, so half is 180. Diameter becomes 2 semicircles. Question 2. If measure of minor arc of circle is 110 degree, then find the measure of the corresponding major arc. Major arc चा formula आहे 360 minus 110. We get 250 is the answer. So B option is correct. 250 degree. In question number 2, solve the following sub questions. First, with the help of given figure, या फिगरच्या साहाय्याने आन्सर द्यायचे. Write the name of the minor arc. Minor arc is arc AYQ. Arc AYQ is the minor arc. If AOQ is given 70 degree, find the arc AYQ. Minor arc and major arc are same, so major arc AYQ equal to major angle, central angle है तो AOQ is 70 degree. So measure of AYQ is 70 degree. So measure of major arc AXQ is equal to 360 minus 70. So get 290. Get 290 degree. This is the measure of arc AXQ because this is 70. So 360 मधून 70 केला तर 290 आपल्याला भेटेल. This is the answer of this B option. So in question number 2 of sub question, in circle with center C, point GDE and F are on the point of the circles. Measure angle ECF is 50 degree and arc DGF is, this is a 200 degree. Find measure arc D. So measure arc EF equal to measure angle ECF. This is central angle property. केंद्रीय कोणाचा गुणधर्म आहे, याचा माप 50 डिग्री आहे म्हणून EF is 50 degree. So measure of arc DE equal to 360 minus measure of arc EF plus measure of arc DGF. So 360 degree minus, this is a 50 and measure arc is 200. So 200, 360 minus 250. We get the answer 110 degree. Is the arc DE. Measure arc DE. This is the answer. Measure arc. And measure arc DEF. DEF. Sum of two arcs. Measure arc DEF equal to measure of arc DE plus measure of arc EF. This is a sum of arcs. दोन कंसांची बेरीज. D is 110 and DF is 50 degree. So we get 160 degree is the measure of arc DEF. In this way we complete the assignment 34. Thank you for watching.